Hello and welcome back everybody. Today we are providing you with a very simple step-by-step tutorial to find a Chase Bank ATM or branch near you using their website. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up their website and directly go over locator.chase.com and hit enter, and we will be directly headed towards this site right here where we can look out for the location. So here, if it asks us for location permission, you can give it up and we can search. So in this box, you can type in your address, city or the zip code, and you can click on this option called search and confirm it up. And you can look out for your location. So you can either zoom in and out for the specific location where you would like to find it and click on it. That is also possible. Or let's choose up a state, for example, Alabama, and of a city, for example, Florence. And once you have done that, once you have entered up the direction manually, it will directly show us nearby ATM and branches. You can look out for it in the map. Even the branches here, we have these. You can click on this arrow option to look out for others or directly open up to see the whole location. Once you open it up here, you would be see the location pinned on the map, and here also your address and hours, what hours it's open, your opening hours, and many services that is available currently on that location, and also the directions. You can go ahead and look out for it. Click on directions if you want to view the direction, and click on pause it to view it up, and that will open up directly in Google Maps or your default map application if you're using phone, and that way you should be able to find the ATMs that work in your location, in your specific location. So that's it everybody. You can follow this method if you want to find a Chase Bank ATM or branch near you. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.